is this helicopter transporting a rhino upside down? Is it okay? Conservationists have adopted different methods to save endangered rhinos. Transporting them via helicopter is one of them. But is it safe for the rhinos? How does relocation help protect them? And why do they have to hang these massive mammals upside down? There are only about 27,000 wild rhinos alive today, according to the World Wildlife Fund. That's nearly 2.5 times fewer rhinos than 50 years ago. They were 500,000 at the beginning of the 20th century. Of the 5 species alive in Africa and Asia, black rhinos, Javan rhinos, and Sumatran rhinos are classified as critically endangered. They're under threat of going extinct. There are only 50 Javan rhinos and less than 80 Sumatran rhinos left in the wild. And in the Ol Pieta Conservancy in Kenya, the only 2 northern white rhinos are guarded 24 hours a day. Do you know why they're going extinct? It's because of human demand for their horns. Those outgrowths are incredibly valuable. They're used in traditional Chinese medicines to treat fever, rheumatism, and hallucinations, among other things. But there's little scientific evidence that the horns work. In countries like Vietnam and China, rhino horns can be a status symbol of success and wealth. Illegal traffickers sell the horns for $40,000. And the decreasing number of rhinos has driven the price of horns up. That's why local poachers, whose incomes are below the poverty line, hack the horns off. The animals slowly bleed to death. And it's tough to stop poachers because they're often armed. So conservationists use methods to protect rhino populations, like dehorning them. It doesn't sound logical, does it? But don't worry. Unlike poaching, dehorning doesn't hurt or kill the rhino. First, veterinarians tranquilize the animal. Then they remove the horn, leaving about 5 centimeters, to prevent damage and ensure it regrows. And yes, rhino horns grow just like human nails. So dehorning rhinos has helped reduce poaching. But rhinos use their horns to defend their territories, unearth edible plants, and find underground water. Dehorning might not be the best option for them. Monitoring rhinos in guarded, fenced zones could be a solution, but veterinarians are concerned that would prevent the rhinos from moving through the land and meeting other rhinos. That could reduce the genetic diversity of the species. So, translocation is the best method to ensure rhinos are still meeting each other while being safely fenced in. The rhinos are tranquilized, blindfolded, and transported to other areas using helicopters. Translocation by truck is impractical because much of the land rhinos live on is often too rugged. But you want to know why they're airlifted upside down, right? It's because they are physiologically sensitive, just like other big African mammals. To reduce a rhino's stress and ensure it doesn't die, it can't be in the wrong position while tranquilized. Hanging rhinos upside down is a safe method for translocating them. There's slightly less carbon dioxide in their arteries in the hanging position than if they're lying in a sideways position. It's crucial to save rhinos because they're important for the ecosystem. As they eat grasses, they prevent any one species of grass from dominating the landscape. Thanks to rhinos, multiple species of grasses have opportunities to grow, so many animals can feed on them. And that's what makes them crazy creatures.